What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Friday, April 28th. In today's video, we got to share with you all the bullish news around Solana. I'm not just talking about the blockchain, but the people around it. We're talking about leaders in this space, but also all the developments that have been integrated within Solana in real life Web2 companies. I cannot wait to share this video with you today because, again, this morning when I woke up, so many different things were happening within Solana that I just cannot wait to share with you. So I'm gonna make it very easy and convenient for you to watch it all in this video. So be sure to stick around to the very end to hear my conclusion and statement around Solana. And as always, you have to like up that button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page. And most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email. So please be careful and invest safely. Guys and girls, let's get right into it. Right now, Solana is at $23, up 3% in the past 24 hours. There's a huge story around Solana. You can tell that the price ranges when its all-time high was around $250. Now we're at $23. Now, this was due to a lot of VCs investors investing into Solana, but also Sam Bankman-Fried being one of the biggest investors, and we all know that he is a criminal, a scandalous, fraudulent person. Now that he's out, now that we can focus on the 7-day average, we can see that Solana is actually going up to the upside. And I want to share with you something in the charts. Now, if we go to TradingView, this is on the weekly chart. This is the weekly time frame. Why is this important? Because we want to show you how Solana's broke out of this descending trend. This is the descending trend right here. And at this very point, at around December 26th of 2022, this is when we started seeing our bullishness around this cryptocurrency. And as you can see, we have formed higher lows here, here, and here. And now we're in this new ascending trend, which is amazing. And another thing I want to share with you is this, the relative strength index. Ever since December, we've experienced a lot more renewed activity within the blockchain. And you can see that on the MACD, we've reduced the amount of sell-off. In fact, we've even seen more people buying into this than ever before. That could mean people are accumulating. Now, let's get into the new details around Solana's ecosystem, because this is going to show you why this blockchain is the king of layer 1 blockchains as of right now. Now, if we look here, based on Sol Bulletin, we're seeing that Solana surpasses Polygon and Ethereum in daily active addresses. But also, I just want to share with you something. You're seeing that Solana is with the big dogs, with layer 1 Ethereum and also layer 2 Polygon, which is a layer 2 to Ethereum. Solana is a layer 1 and has been staying steady above those big players. That's something you just cannot ignore. And that's why when you're saying 311,000 in terms of daily transaction volume addresses, it's crazy to think that this is just the beginning. And we have some new updates for you as well. Solana apparently is outperforming Bitcoin, and this is based on what Bloomberg has said. And it's kind of stating that, they completely, exorcised the ghost of Sam Bankman-Fried and his whole company with Alameda Research and FTX. But again, we didn't really need them. And I'll share with you at the very end of the video why Solana was able to outperform these even without all the VCs, even without Sam Bankman-Fried. Now let's get into some really good news. Now, you can see here that people are saying that the ladder for the people in the back, DripPause, which is an NFT collection that's airdropping for free NFTs to holders, minted around 962,000 compressed NFTs for $107. That's absolutely right. You're hearing me right. Then you're also seeing that Marquis says that there's 2.7 million compressed NFTs for that same amount. But again, no matter what it is, when it's 7x cheaper to send something to a user, it's better than sending it, say for instance, through MailChimp. So it's basically saying that it's cheaper to mint and compress NFTs than it is to send something through MailChimp. That's how crazy this is. This is what we call scalability without sacrificing security. And I want to share with you some other great news. Solana Foundation is working with MasterCard to create tools to verify trusted interactions and help secure interactions between Web2 and Web3 apps. So if the Solana Foundation, which represents Solana, works with MasterCard to integrate it within their blockchain, that could be a huge game changer around the world. This is how adoption happens. And in other news, Solana Labs has created an open source reference implementation for ChatGPT, which everybody knows is the next new big AI. Now, this plugin lets users interact with Solana's network directly from ChatGPT. What does that do? Users will be able to check wallet balances, transfer tokens, and purchase NFTs once the plugin is enabled. Now that will be absolutely crazy, but this is from Solana Labs. So again, many innovations within this blockchain because it's easy to work with as a developer. And let's talk about NFT collections. We do know that Mad Labs is now just broken past its 1 million Solana trading volume. That's not US dollars, that's Solana trading volume. It's probably twice as much in terms of USD conversion. That's another thing, is that the Solana ecosystem with NFTs has not slowed down. It's actually still around even after DGods and Utes, which was trading in the millions of Solana, has left to Ethereum and Polygon. But now Solana is coming back to life again because of the community, because of its holders. And another thing I want to share with you is if you compare Mad Labs on Solana compared to other NFT collections within other blockchains, such as Ethereum and Polygon, you're seeing that Mad Labs is flipping, say for instance, Bored Ape Yacht Club the past 24 hours. And over the 7 days, we're seeing that it's still doing that, trading way above them. This is crazy sauce in my personal opinion. And the last thing I want to share with you is this. The gas cost of buying a single NFT on Ethereum, say for instance, is equivalent to 4 Solana. That's absolutely ridiculous. I don't want to have to pay for gas fees. And this is another reason why Solana is a great way for other people to step into this world, because it's so easy to pay for cheap transactions and it's super fast, super efficient. So this is what's crazy, is that we're seeing Solana grow substantially because developers can come here and build their product, build their game, build their NFT collection, because that's how a company startup happens. You have to find the right blockchain. Now, the last thing I want to share with you is this from John Lay, who is a one-on-one artist. Now, this is the last slide. The comeback of Solana is due to each and every one of us that never had plans to leave in the face of adversity. We have each other and ourselves to thank. History is made together, not alone. Why is that important? It's because that's the reason why Solana is at the place that it is now. It's because of community. So regardless of all the FUD around Solana's network shutting down for Sam Bankman-Fried being scandalous and like robbing the Solana ecosystem, regardless of that, we're still seeing renewed activity. You've seen it in the charts, you're seeing it in the price action, you're seeing with the adoption of Web2 companies coming into Web3 and in integrations. This is why I think this video is very bullish for you to understand why Solana, to me, is super undervalued in terms of a layer 1 blockchain. To me, in my personal opinion, not financial advice, it's better than Ethereum. It's the best layer 1 blockchain out there. And I just want to share that with everybody. I definitely think this is going to absolutely catch up, other than NFTs and daily active addresses, but really Web2 adoption. So there you go. That's my personal opinion. I want to hear your comments down below, what you think of Solana, if it is the best layer 1. What other layer 1 blockchains do you want us to look at? What other details have we missed around Solana that we haven't covered in this video? I want to see it down in the comments below on both YouTube and Twitter, and I cannot wait to read them. With that said, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls and buy and sell orders for NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Until then, see you guys and girls next time.